Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 6 Samsung Z Fold 4 Ringke lineup you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The stunning Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is now available, so everyone should get ready. Buying this high-end folding phone from Samsung means you'll need a killer case. Ringke is one of the top-rated accessory suppliers when it comes to quality. With Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 screen protectors and covers, you can enhance protection without compromising performance. These expensive smartphones have an increasingly important camera that must be protected. In order to accommodate your needs, Ringke also offers camera shields. In addition to being functional, some of these choices are also enjoyable. I have prepared this video guide for the Samsung Z Fold 4 Ringke lineup. So let's get started. 6. Ringke Slim Minimalist Fit. Hard PC case that is slim and stylish. In addition to protecting your Galaxy Z Fold 4 against drops and scratches, solid polycarbonate also provides increased durability. Thanks to the 1.5mm narrow width of the premium two-piece construction, ports and buttons are easily accessible. It can be opened with one hand without slipping off since it is secured to the phone with anti-slip gripping pads. It is compatible with both power share and wireless chargers. With its velvety smoothness and easy grip, the soft feel coating makes it easy to handle. 5. Ringke Slim Anti Yellowing. All phones may use the highly liked Ringke Slim case, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 now has one as well. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will maintain its excellent looks with the aid of its transparent case, which Ringke claims is comprised of anti-yellowing material. As a result, it should continue to look excellent, which is always a plus. Here is one of Ringke's straightforward instances if you like them. It is constructed of polycarbonate that has been coated to prevent yellowing because it frequently occurs in less expensive clear casings. At just 14.8 grams and 1.2 millimeters, it is also very thin and light. 4. Ringke Camera Styling Lens Protector. An aluminum cover that has been precisely cut can shield your camera. This state-of-the-art camera shield was created using NC machinery, which preserves the device's exquisite look while protecting the glass underneath from scratches. Enjoy taking stunning images without any restrictions. Wide camera, portrait mode, panoramic, night mode, and other camera settings may all be used to their full potential thanks to the carefully thought-out construction of the camera shell. The aluminum is not reflective, allowing for full camera flash operation. The ideal complement to any color phone for a natural and contemporary appearance. Add a light, thin frame over the camera without covering the lens by sticking it into place. For complete protection, pair it with a shock-absorbing case. 3. Ringke Cover Display Glass. This Ringke cover display glass is compatible with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, 2022. A coating with several structured layers improves performance and durability without adding weight. Clear adhesive provides maximum transparency, preventing dents, scratches, and cracks. Strong 9H hardness provides additional strength. This product is suitable for the majority of situations. When using a 2. Ringke Dual Easy Film Screen Protector. The Samsung Z Fold 4's outside display is compatible with the Ringke Screen Protector's 9H hardness level. The phone's 3-layer coating increases its effectiveness and durability without adding extra bulk. For optimum transparency, a clear adhesive makes it simple to affix the cover. The Ringke provides additional durability to guard against dents, splits, and scratches. This package is completed by a full coverage design that is case-friendly and has a fingerprint-resistant covering. 1. Ringke Slim Translucent Elegant Cover. Because a clear case entirely reveals the rear of the phone, many individuals might prefer it. A clear casing does have certain negatives, too, such as fingerprint smudges and fading. Investing in a polycarbonate translucent case, such as this one, is a practical solution to the issue at hand. Because to the matte smoothness of the case, smudges won't be visible. Additionally, because it is polycarbonate and not TPU, it won't become yellow. Sticky pads are included on both sides of the case to aid in securing it when you set it on the phone. This case is also available in transparent or matte black if you prefer those colors instead of the translucent appearance. So guys, this was the video about the Samsung Z Fold 4 Ringke lineup 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.